tables and shares part 2 video. I will take one more take, please. So right, welcome back to another video. So we didn't have a video yesterday and even on Sunday also. So today let's continue with the part 2 video of NCERT Math Magic 4 chapter 11 part 2. Yeah, chapter 11 is tables and shares. We are going to see its part 2 now. Yeah, welcome back to this screen. In this we are going to see the tables and shares starting from the part 1 what we have learned, and then we will move to the part 2. Okay, so first let me quickly go through the part 1 presentations. So there on the day we have seen what is this NCERT Math Magic chapter 11 tables and shares part 1. So there we have seen these flower beds of Shama, and then we have seen the rack of Bhima. Okay, so then we have seen the Bunty and Guddu tricks, how to find out the easy mathematics calculations. Okay, so if you don't know what is the table of like 7, then you can get it from the table of 5 and 2 like that. So that is clearly demonstrated in this video. Now let us move to the this even we have learned how many cats are there. So these cats, by counting the legs of cats and chickens, we have did some of the activities. Okay, so then we have even seen the jumping frogs, and then we have seen how many number of jumps each time the frog takes to reach so and so number like that, and at the end we have calculated these divisions. Now today's presentation is about seashells. So there are seashells. Actually Dhruv lives near the sea. He thought of making necklace for his 3 friends. He looked for seashells all day. He collected 112 seashells by the evening. Okay, so by end of the day he collected this many number of seashells. Now he had many different colorful and shiny shells. See, he is telling that I will make a necklace of 28 shells. So will these shells be enough to make necklace for all my friends? So this is what he is thinking, and it is a question given to us. Okay, so what we have to do here is 112 is the given count, I mean total the count which he obtained from morning till evening. From that what you have to do is you have to tell whether these are sufficient or not. Okay, so from the repeated subtraction process, if you calculate, then you will get it 112 minus 28 is equal to 84 in the first iteration, and in the next iteration you will be getting 184. Okay, 84 minus 28. 28 is the number of shells he want to make. So total shells he obtained is 112 minus 28 he made, so he got 84. Then later he subtracted again minus 28 from 84, he got 56. Now he subtracted again minus 28 from that, so he left with 28. Okay, so totally how many 28s are there? So how many shells are available for him? So accordingly you have to check how many number of necklace he will be manufacturing, I mean he will be making from that. So this is the first necklace, second necklace, third and fourth. Okay, so the one which is left is with that also you can make a necklace. So how many necklace can Dhruv can make from 112 shells? It is 4. It is simple. If you divide this 112 by 28 also you will get the answer. But the repeated subtraction method is suggested. Okay. So can you read it here in the below? The repeated subtraction method is suggested instead of multiplications and divisions. Now, are these shells are enough? Yes, they are enough, because we got all like subtractions. In the repeated subtraction we got 0, so all things are enough to make 28 I mean to make desired necklace. So 28 shells are sufficient to make the necklace. Okay, so how many necklace you want to make? 4 necklace. 4 into 28 will give you 112. So they are sufficiently enough to make the necklace what you want to decided. Okay, he decided to do it for how many friends? For 3 friends only. Okay, but here it is available for 4 friends. I mean 4 persons. These necklaces are available. Okay, so that is why you can say, yeah, they are enough. Okay, so for all his friends they are enough. Next, Kanu made a necklace of 7, that is 17 seashells. How many such necklace can be made using 100 seashells? So here also same technique you can use. Repeated subtraction, that is 100 minus 17. Okay, and whatever the answer you will get, you will again subtract it from the answer, like how did we do here. So like that you can do it, or otherwise directly you can do it by dividing 100 by 17. Answer will be 5. Okay, so but in this process, if you do the repeated subtraction method, you will come to know that there will be some necklace, I mean there will be some seashells will be left. So around 15 seashells are left if you do in the repeated subtraction method. So which I couldn't do it here, because so I want you to do it on your own. Okay, so try the same repeated subtraction method for this also, and tell me out of 17, if you want to go for 17 seashells, here in this case he is going for 28 seashells, so he got 4. Okay, so in this case 17 seashells he is doing, and answer he got is 4. But how many are left? In this case there is nothing is left. In this case nothing is left, but in this case around 15 will be left. So that you calculate and you check it. Now we will move to the next slide. In this slide you can see one carton can hold 85 soap bars. Shally want to pack 338 bars. How many cartons does she need for packing all of them? Okay, so one carton can hold 85 soaps, then 338 cartons can hold how many? That you can do it with the repeated subtraction method like this. 338 minus 85, 253. 253 minus 85, 168. 168 minus 85, 83. Here you can see there is answer. You got the answer in such a way that one option is left. The last left out items are 83. He cannot make them to fit into 85 that carton where he want to pack 85 soap. Okay, so these 83 are left. So we got only 3. So the first iteration was 253, second iteration was 168, and third iteration is 83. So don't look at how many number of times you are doing the subtraction here, but you look at the number. I mean how many are left after doing the subtraction. This is left, so one iteration is over. After doing the subtraction, this is left. Okay, and similarly after doing the third subtraction, this much items are left. Okay, so these items can be used for some other purpose, or otherwise they are not meant for packing. Okay, she cannot pack the left out items. If she will get 2 more items, then she will be packing in the same. So then the answer will become 4 for us. Okay, so that is how you have to calculate. Next question is, Manpreet wants 1500 sacks of cement for making a house. A truck carries 250 sacks of at a time. Only 250 sacks at a time a truck carries. How many trips such the truck will make? So it is very simple. 250 into 6 times will give you 1500. Okay, and for each trip it is the driver is charging for each trip 500. So you are going to get 500 into 6, 3000 is the answer. Okay, so if you do with repeated subtraction method, so you will also get the same answer. 1500 minus 250 is equal to how much? Okay, so then whatever the answer you will get, 1250 minus 250, you will get 1000. 1000 minus 250, 750. Like that also, if you do it, it will be 6 times. Okay, so then the number of trips that E requires is 6. So you can calculate either by using multiplication or by using repeated subtraction method. So repeated subtraction method is simple. So I am following the multiplication method here. So 1500 minus how much? 250 is equal to 1250. Similarly, 1250 minus 250 is equal to 1000. Okay, so 1000 minus 250 is equal to 750. Sorry, 750 minus 250 is equal to 500. 500 minus 250 is equal to how much? It is 250. The next 250 minus 250 is equal to how much? 0. So how many we got? 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the answer is 6. So I wrote it directly by doing the multiplication. Now we know that there are 6 number of trips. So the answer for the driver is 6 into 3 and 6 into 500. Okay, so it will be is equal to 3000. 6 5 are 30, 2 zeros as it is. Okay, so like this you have to calculate the answers by either by using this repeated subtraction method or multiplication method. Now we will move to the next question, that is Gangu is making sweets for Eid. He has made a tray of 80 laddus. There are 80 laddus. You can see there are 8 rows. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rows and 10 columns. So totally 80 laddus are there in the big tray. This girl Rabia is asking, please pack laddus in a box. 4 laddus in a box she want, and how many she want like that? 23 small such boxes she want. So the question given to us is, are the sweets in the tray are enough to pack 23 small boxes? Okay, so how much you have to again check here. So 23 into 4, 23 into 4 will give you how much, or otherwise you can go with division method here. Okay, so use the division 480. If you don't know how to divide exactly the given item among the different people or number of times, then what you have to do is you have to take the known item for 2 times, each 2 like that, 8. So you get 0 0 and 0 will come it here, and 4 zeros are 0, again 0. So 4 20s we got, there is nothing is left in that. Okay, but if you add 3 more to that, 4, 12. Okay, so how many laddus you require more here? In this case, if you how many laddus you require more is not, you don't know, but how many boxes you want, you know. So take 3 here. Okay, we know 4 into 3 is 12. So the number of boxes will be is equal to 23. 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. Like this you have to calculate the total number of boxes required. So 23 into 4 is equal to 92. Okay, so but how many laddus are available in this tray? There are only 80 laddus are available. Okay, so 92 minus 80 will be how much? It is 12. 12 laddus are short. So the next question is, are the sweets in the tray are enough for 23 small boxes? No, it is, answer is big no. You have to tell that they are not at all sufficient. Okay, you will hardly get 20 boxes. Okay, sorry, you will hardly get around 20 boxes, not even 20 boxes. Okay, so you require 3 more items, 20 plus 3. Okay, so 3 more items are required in such a way that you will be getting total 92. 23 into 4 is equal to 92. So we are short of 12 laddus. So because there are 12 laddus are not there, she cannot pack 23 boxes. She can pack only up to how much? How many? There are only 20 boxes she can pack. Okay, so 20 boxes she can pack, but 3 boxes she cannot pack. So Gangu asks a bigger box in which he packs 12 laddus. How many boxes he needed for packing 60 laddus? 60, 12 into 5 is equal to 60. It's a very simple question. Now Neelu brought 15 storybooks to her class. Today 45 students are present. How many children will need to share one book? So 15 students are there. So 15 into 3 is equal to 45. Okay, so 3 books are the required answer. A family of 8 people needs 60 kg of wheat a month. How much wheat does this family need for a week? Okay, so week is a part of a month. Every month will have 4 weeks. So total 60 kg divided by 4 will give you 15. Okay, so Rajia wants the change of rupees 500. If she will take all 500 notes, how many numbers? She requires 5 numbers. If she will get 50 rupee notes, then how many she will get? 10 such kind of notes. If she will get 20 rupee notes, then she will get 25 rupees notes. And if she will get 5 rupee notes, then totally 100 notes she requires. As the name only tells us 500. So 5 into 100 will give us 500. So that is about the how much currency will she will get in return for the change of 500. You may distribute 72 tomatoes equally in 3 baskets. How many tomatoes will be there in each? So totally there are 72 tomatoes are there, which I want to distribute equally in 3 baskets. How many tomatoes will there in each? So the answer is 72 divided by 3, that is equal to 24. Okay, now there are 350 bricks in hand cart. Binod found the weight of a brick to be 2 kg. How much or what will be the weight of all the bricks? Each brick weighs 2 kg. So 350 into 2 kg will give us the answer. 350 into 2 is 700. So 700 kg is the answer. Now let us move to the this one more session. Children and their grandfather are having some activity. So Rashmi, Seema, Mrudal, Rohit and Lokesh asked their grandfather to give them money for the fare. I have 70 rupees in my pocket. Grandfather is telling that I have 70 rupees in my pocket. If you tell me how to share this money equally among yourself, then I will give you. That is what he said. So Rashmi said one method, that is Rashmi and Seema thought for a while and said, we know how to do 70 divided by 5. How did they do? You see. So they divided in such a way that first they distributed 10 among 5 members. Okay. So 5 members each got 10 rupees. Then how much will be the left? Totally there will be 20 rupees left. Okay. So then next Rashi completed it like this. She says plus 4. If you add plus 4, then we will get how much to this, whatever the box which is there here, to there you will be getting minus 20 and you will be getting subtraction as 0. So I give 4 rupees more to each after distributing 10 rupees to all the 5 students, all the 5 friends. Okay, then she will be going to distribute plus 4. So totally it will become 10 plus 4 is equal to 14 rupees and 14 into 5 is equal to 70 rupees. Okay, so you have to always calculate in such a way that division and multiplication are like vice versa. If you want to check the answer, then you have to multiply the obtained answer with the value, whatever the value that you want. Okay, so 14 into 5, there are 5 members, answer I got is 14, so 14 into 5 will give me 70 rupees. So we are doing it reverse. 70 rupees are there with me, his grandfather is telling. I want to, or you have to tell me how you will divide this among yourself. Okay, so they have arrived with a technique so and so to get the answer. Now another method. This is one method, but the another method is Mridul and Lokesh are trying 70 divided by 5 in a different way. How they are doing it? They are trying with 5. They are distributing 5 first time. Then how much it will become? It will become 25. After subtracting, the rest of the amount is 45 is left. Then 5 6 are 30. After that they are doing again 6 rupees because they don't know how much amount will be left. So after doing that 6, so answer is 30. Then amount which is left is again 15 here. Okay, they are supposed to write 15 here. So that is asking to us. So what will be the next value? So your next value will be 5 3 are 15. Okay, so the left out answer is remainder is 0. So 5 plus 6 plus 3, which is also equal to 14. So just now we have compared 14 into 5 is equal to 70. Okay, so that is what this hand is telling to us. Now check your answer, multiply your answer by 5, and if you get 70, is your answer correct? Yes, it is absolutely correct. Just now I told you. Okay, so your method is asking us to go in our own method. So either you have to go for 2 or 11. So first let us try with 2. So instead of going with 11, let us try with 2. 2 is a small number. even the 11 also we will get it. But the 15, can you start with 15? It is not possible, because 15 into 5 itself is more than 70. Okay, so let us try first. So 5 2 times 10, I have distributed 2 rupees to all the 5 members. Then I got 10 rupees subtracted from 70, I got 60 rupees left. Then what did I do? Oh, this is not correct. Then I thought that I have started distributing 10 rupees. Okay, so 10 to all the 5 members. So I got 50 subtracted from the 10. So I have left with only 10. Then what did I do? I have subtracted 2 rupees among all the 5 members. Then the final answer we got is 2 plus 10 plus 2. 2 plus 10 plus 2, which is also is equal to 14. Okay, so as I said, this, can you start with 15? No, it is not possible, because 15 into 5 is 75. It is not 70. It is total is getting more than 70. Okay, so grandfather will not give us 70 rupees if you won't distribute it equally. So we will stop here and we will do these exercises tomorrow. Or if you are comfortable, then you try to do it on your own and then put the answers of all these A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H by tomorrow's video or by next video in the comment section below. Okay, so after the video completes, then there is no use of putting that in the comment section, right? So before I publish this video, next video, then you try to do it and put it in the comment section below. Yeah, that is about today's session. Now it's time for the call for subscriptions. Yes, if you like my video, then you subscribe and then you ask your friends to subscribe to my channel, and then visit my website HANU7.com, which is given in the footer of this video, and all the links of this, whatever the playlist in which I am putting these videos, are given in the description of this video. So try to watch the complete playlist and share this playlist to as many as you can. So don't forget to click the bell icon and then click the share button. So if you click the bell icon, then you will be getting continuous updates from this channel. If you have any doubts, put them in the comment section below, so that I will be reaching you with some inputs. So if you still have anything to ask to me in personal, then there is a contact available in